I knew Richard the person before I knew Richard the car dealer, and I knew before I even walked in the dealership that I'd be taken care of at Shults Lincoln. Because of his attention to detail and commitment to quality, I knew that I wouldn't just find the right vehicle, but I'd find the right dealership. At Richard Bazzi's Shults Lincoln, I never have to worry about service for my car. With their 4-year, 50,000-mile premium maintenance plan and free pickup and delivery, everything's always taken care of. My wife was actually laughing at me because after only having the car for about a month, I ran into a curb. There was no problem at all with them getting me right in for service and getting the vehicle taken care of.
Lease a brand new 2018 Lincoln MKC all-wheel drive for just $275 a month. Or lease a brand new 2018 Lincoln MKX front-wheel drive for just $285 a month.
My experience at Richard Bazzi's Shults Lincoln has been nothing short of unbelievable. So to them, I say thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Woodburn. Shults Lincoln, Route 19, Wexford.